Trade. 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 WeMasterTrade.
Good day everyone. No matter where you are tuning from, whether you are just starting your morning, already in the middle of the trading green, or relaxing at the end of your day, welcome to our global live stream. I'm Mike Crab and your host for the next 2 hours, and on behalf of the entire WeMasterTrade team, I'm thrilled to have you here. Today's section isn't just another presentation, it's a real conversation, a chance for you to step into the engine room of one of the most fast-growing and forward-thinking fund trading firms in the industry. And of course, I'm not here alone. Joining me are two outstanding traders who have shaped the cultures, visions, and standards of WeMasterTrade. They are not only skilled professionals, they are mentors and leaders within our community. First up, the ever-composed, always insightful Scarlett. Welcome, Scarlett.
Thank you so much, Raf. Hello everyone, and thank you for choosing to spend your time with us today. I'm genuinely excited for this session because there's so much we are going to uncover, not just strategies or rules, but the entire ecosystem that WeMasterTrade has built. This is a platform that doesn't just fund trade, it builds traders, step by step from starting out to scaling to earning.
And next to her is someone known for sharp analysis, clear logic, and absolutely no-nonsense chart reading. Strategic, precise, and one of the strongest voices in our trading community. Please welcome Annie.
Thank you, Rolf. Hello everyone, in the chat, I'm genuinely thrilled to be here. What excites me the most is that today we're going to unpacking everything, not just what WeMasterTrade offer, but how you can truly take advantage of each part of our system. Packages, promotions, scaling, payout structures, all of it. If you have ever had questions or doubts, today is your chance to ask.
Exactly, whether you are completely new or already a funded trader with us. Today LiveStream will give you the full pictures, not just the highlight reels. We are going to walk you through what WeMasterTrade truly is, what we believe in, how our programs are designed, and why we operate differently from traditional brokers or platforms. And just to clarify, this isn't about selling you anything. This is about helping you understand what you are signing up for, how our structure works, and how you can use that structures to not only succeed but actually scale.
Let's start with something important, the story behind WeMasterTrade. So WeMasterTrade was built as a funding project, it's not a broker. That's the different matters. Broker profit from volume of clients' losses. WeMasterTrade profit only when traders succeed. We provide capitals, take on the risk, and share profits when you perform. That philosophy is the backbone of everything in our system too.
Exactly, and that philosophy shares our trading packages as well. Today we'll go through each package for who is designed for, how to choose the right one, and what to expect. If you ever looked at our packages and thought, which one fits my style, you finally get the answer.
And beyond just explaining, we are doing a live side-by-side comparison. Pricings, account sizes, mass drawdown, consistency rules, payout timelines. Reading numbers on a website is one thing. Understanding the intention behind those numbers is another.
And once you understand packages, the next big question is always, how do I stay compliant while trading? So we'll dive deep into our rules, especially the daily loss limit, how it's calculated and why floating profit and losses matters, and also how to avoid violation, especially overnight. And we'll also break down maximum total loss, the consistency ratio, and clarify common misunderstanding around trade sizing and risk per trade.
And I won't just explain rules, I'll share real experience from my early funded trading days, mistakes I made, adjustment I learned, and how the rules are actually there to protect your growth, not limit it.
And of course, we'll go through our current promotions, discount costs, support campaigns, capitals, and show you exactly how to qualify and submit properly.
And finally, we'll talk about the scale-up plan, one of the most underrated features of WeMasterTrade. Many traders don't realize there are a structured pathway to grow into higher capital tier. With consistent performance, you don't just get payouts, you actually climb toward becoming a six-figure funded trader.
And speaking of growth, let's talk about one of the strongest engines behind long-term income at WeMasterTrade, the profit sharing model. This is the heartbeat of what makes us different from every typical platform out there. When you trade on a funded account, follow the rules and generate profit. We share the profit with you, and not just a small cut, up to 90%. But here's the thing, the percentage is just the headline. What really matters is the payout cycle, the thresholds, and how the top line works. And we'll break all of that down today, so you know exactly how to maximize every payout opportunity.
Now, I know a lot of you tuning in today aren't just traders. Some of you are mentors, educators, community leaders, or you simply have strong networks. So we are also diving into our affiliate programs, and we are doing it transparently. We will walk you through how commissions are calculated, how referrals are tracked, and most importantly, what you need to qualify for payout. That includes a full explanation of the true referral rules and the minimum funded requirements, no confusion, no surprises.
And that's super important. We have seen huge growth in affiliate activity lately, which is awesome, but we want every partner to feel clear, confident, and responsible with the way they promote. When you understand the system, you are not just earning commission, you are also building a long-term sustainable income stream.
So, as you can already tell, this is not your usual light surface level live stream. Today we are going deep into everything. trading packages, trading rules, promos, scale pathway, profit sharing, affiliate opportunities, all with one goal, helping you make the smartest, most informed decisions for your trading journey.
And we want this to be interactive, not just a lecture. So if you have questions, throw them into the chat anytime. Our moderators are here. We are watching and will answer as many as we possibly can. Your voice matters. This whole live stream is for you.
And if you're watching the replay later, don't worry. We'll leave timestamps, summarize, and also you can always reach out to our support team for clarification. They are one of the most dedicated team I've worked with. They really want trader to succeed.
So before we jump in, let me just say this. WeMasterTrade is not just a platform, it's a commitment. A commitment to build real traders, a commitment to fairness, and a commitment to giving people all around the world a structured, scalable path to turn trading into a profession, not a gamble. So if you are here to grow, to understand and take action, you are in exactly the right place. Let's take this journey together. And alright everyone, thank you once again for being here with us today. Before we jump into packages, trading rules, promos, and everything exciting that's coming, we want to take a step back and zoom out for a moment. Because before you put your time, your energy, and your trading journey into a platform, understanding who we are, what we believe in, isn't just helpful, it's essential. And so this next segment is all about origin, intention, and impact. It's about where WeMasterTrade came from, what values hold this entire platform together, and how those values transform into real tools, real opportunities, and real outcomes for traders like you. And to walk us through that story, I've got two people who literally live and breathe this mission every single day, Scarlett and Annie. Scarlett, let's kick it up from the beginning.
Thanks, Ralph. To really understand WeMasterTrade, you have to understand why it was created in the first place. Unlike most brokers or platforms that grew out of traditional finance, WeMasterTrade was born with a very specific mission to give capable traders access to real capital, regardless of where they come from, what their background is, and how much money they have in their savings. Talent shouldn't be limited by circumstances, and that's exactly what WeMasterTrade was built to solve. We were founded in 2022 as part of WeMasterTrade Group, headquartered in Vancouver, Canada. WeMasterTrade made its name through investor networks, copy trading technology, and signals. But WeMasterTrade, it was created with a sharper, more focused vision to find high potential traders, support them, fund them, and scale them so they can earn professionally without risking their own capital.
There's one key point many people overlook, and it matters. WeMasterTrade is not a broker. This isn't a slogan, it's a fundamental difference in how we operate. We don't earn from spread, we don't earn from commission, and we don't earn when traders lose. Our model only works when traders are profitable, and that's why everything we've built, instant funding, profit sharing, scale up, is designed with that alignment in mind. We take on the capital risk, we provide the structure and the pathway. Your role is to trade with skill and discipline. When you grow, we grow also. But we also know something important. Skill alone isn't enough. One of our core principles from the day one has been education first, and we don't want traders just to memorizing rules. We want them to understand the logic behind the structure, the why behind the risk model, and that's why we invested heavily into the WeMasterTrade Academy, a complete learning ecosystem designed to take a trader from beginner all the way to consistently funded professionals.
And the Academy is seriously something special. We have training that covers everything from trading psychology to risk calibrations to advanced multi-asset strategies. But the best part is not just theories. It's built to mirror the real trading environments inside WeMasterTrade. So whatever you learn in the Academy, you can apply directly to your funding account the very same day. And to make sure that everything we build meets global educational standards, WeMasterTrade is proud to be ISO 21001:2018 certified, recognitions given to institutions that deliver high-quality structures and internationally compliant learning system. It's a big achievement, and it represents our commitment to long-term trader development.
Now that certification isn't just a badge, it's a statement. It shows we invested in developing traders, not in collecting fees and disappearing like so many firms in this space. While other platforms rise fast and vanish even faster, WeMasterTrade has built real structure, stability, compliance, transparent processes, and a team that stands behind every decision. We are not here for a quick wave, we're here to help build careers that last.
And that commitment shows in the stories we hear every day. If you visit our testimonial page, you will see traders from Nigeria, Vietnam, Canada, the Philippines, South Africa, and many more, all sharing how WeMasterTrade didn't just help them to earn more, but help them trade with confidence and purposes. Some passed challenges after years of being stuck with retail brokers. Some finally escaped the fear of risking their own savings. Some found clarity, structure, and support they would never experience before. We have watched students turn into full-time traders. We have seen women step back into finance after long career breaks, and young professionals from underbanked regions, people who were locked out of the market, now trade with real capital and real opportunities. That's the impact we care about, and that's what keeps us moving.
But the ecosystem goes beyond funding. For traders who want to keep learning, evolving, and stay in tune with the markets, we maintain a constantly updated blog section, weekly insights, psychology breakdowns, market reactions, platform updates. We believe trading is a long life craft, and we make sure our community never stops sharpening its edge.
And let's talk about cultures for a moment. What sets WeMasterTrade apart isn't just features, it's the mindset we cultivate. Integrity, respect, share knowledge. Whether you are chatting in our Telegram group, watching our YouTube series, or talking to our live support team, you will notice one thing: we actually listen. We treat traders like partners, not ticket numbers.
And I want to be very honest here. In most platforms, the trader is just another customer, but at WeMasterTrade, the trader is the center of the entire model. Your performance fuels the business. Your feedback shapes the platform. Your consistency determines how far we scale together. That kind of mutual accountability is rare and is something we genuinely value.
So if you have ever questioned whether this path is real, whether a trading career is something you can actually build, go read this testimonial, look at the funded accounts, and talk to people who have been through the system. The story are real, the capital is real, and the result, they speak loudly.
Well, to summarize, WeMasterTrade is more than a platform. We are a capital allocator, a talent accelerator, and an education-first trading institution. We are here to challenge the status quo in trading assets, to reward performance over promotions, and to create real scalable income opportunities for traders worldwide, no matter where you start. This is bigger than a platform, it's a trading movement, and if you have already to be a part of it, today's live stream will give you the full roadmap to get started. And thank you Scarlett and Annie for that deep and honest walkthrough. Coming up next, we'll take this foundation and connect it directly to what we offer, our actual account packages. That means a full breakdown of all the different account options at WeMasterTrade, how they differ, who they are designed for, and what kind of results you can realistically expect from each. Now that we have explored who WeMasterTrade is and the principle we stand for, it's time to dive into one of the most important parts of today's sections, a detailed discussions on our account packages. For more traders, this is where the journey begins, choosing a structure that aligns with your goals, your trading style, and your current skill levels. And when we say packages, we are not just talking about dollar amounts, we are talking about framework for growth. Each package at WeMasterTrade represents a different pathway, a roadmap toward building skills, scaling your capital, and unlocking potentials. Today we will walk you through every package, explain what is offered, how it's structured, and most importantly, who is designed for.
Exactly right. WeMasterTrade, we don't believe in a one-size-fits-all model. That's why we created two distinct product lines for traders, the challenge package and the instant funding package. Each line comes with a variety of account sizes and configuration. Because traders come with different strengths, risk appetites, and top lines, we make sure there's a path for everyone. whether you're starting small or ready to scale fast.
Now let's talk about the instant funding package, designed for traders who are ready to skip the challenge phase and start trading with real capital immediately. Unlike the challenge model, this is for those who already have a test strategy or want to hit the ground running. It's fast, efficient, and still structured around the same risk rules that keep your account safe.
In the instant funding package, you select an account size $10,000, $25,000, $50,000, or $100,000, and you start trading real funds from day one. The rules are straightforward: 5% daily loss limit, 10% maximum loss, and 1/100 leverage. There are no simulated phases. You're already in the funded stage, and your profit share up to 90.
So to summarize, the challenge package is perfect if you want step-by-step progressions, prove your skills, get familiar with WeMasterTrade risk framework, and gradually unlock higher profit shares. The instant funding package is for traders who want to start with real capital immediately, with all the protections and profit sharing benefit intact.
Exactly. Think of it this way. Challenge packages will build your confidence, demonstrate skill, and grow professionally. Instant funding will help you trade live capital immediately if you are confident in your strategy. Both paths lead to the same destination, is to scaling your trading career with WeMasterTrade.
And don't forget, both packages are fully compliant with WeMasterTrade risk management rules. That's our guarantee. You have a clear, transparent path whether you're learning, testing, or trading full-time. The difference is only the starting point, your skill level and comfort with risk.
So whatever stage you are at, beginner, intermediate, or advanced, there's a WeMasterTrade package for you. And coming up next, we are going to do a side-by-side comparison of challenge versus instant funding, so you can clearly see account sizes, risk rule, timeline, and profit share opportunities.
So, who are the mid and higher tier challenges best for? So, the $25,000 to $100,000 challenge packages are perfect for traders who already have capital management experience, especially those aiming to scale into larger funded accounts. If you have passed other prop challenge or have a strong verified trading history, this is the natural next step to level up your career.
Every challenge package comes with a one-time fee. For example, just $50 for the $10,000 challenge. Here's the good part: the fee is refundable once you become funded and meet minimum performance conditions. And if things don't go your way, you are eligible for a 30% reset discount, so you can start fresh and keep learning. But what if you don't want to go through a challenge at all and want real capital from day one, earning purely based on results? That's where our instant funding package come in.
And this is where WeMasterTrade really stands out. The instant funding model is designed for experienced, disciplined traders who want to trade real capital immediately. No evaluation, no demo stages, just live trading, fully backed by a structured, fair, and transparent system.
And accessibility is key. You can choose from several account types based on your trading style, preferences, and goals. Today we'll go through 4 main instant funding packages: 5-10-10, 5-10-0, 5-10-10 no PC customized. We'll compare the details, but most importantly, we'll help you figure out which package is right for you.
Let me set the scenes. All instant funding packages give you the live trading access from day one. That means no challenge phases, no evaluations. You pay once, follow the rules, and start trading real capital immediately. And every account, no matter the size, includes no time limits, up to 90% profit share, scale plan toward $1 million, support for EA, swing trades, scabbing, and even HFT strategies. Now let's go package by package. Let's start with the 5-10-10 package, and the capital, maximum capital is up to $200,000, and you get 5% daily loss, 10% overall limit. So why is that important?
That extra breathing room is huge for traders who scale into position or like taking multiple entries per setup. Imagine you are in a volatile market with fast swing. The 5-10-10 rules let you navigate larger move without hitting daily limits prematurely. It's a game changer for professional style trading.
The profit target here is 10%, perfectly aligned with the higher risk window. And as always, you get full flexibility, scalping EAs, news trading, swing trades, HFT, whatever suits your style. This package is all about tolerance and adaptability. It rewards traders who understand position sizing, risk management, and market timing.
This package is perfect for day traders, especially those focusing on fast-moving assets like Nasdaq, Gold, or volatile forex pairs. If you have already have a test intraday strategy and want a little extra breathing room for risk, this is the package for you. It gives you flexibility without sacrificing structure.
And it's also great for traders who thrive with clear targets. That 10% profit goal acts as a motivating milestone, keep you focused on payout oriented. Some traders perform best when they know exactly what success looks like, and this package gives them that clarity without feeling restricted.
So to sum up, 5-10-10 for high tolerance, intradays, or ambitious traders. Next, we'll dive into the 5-10-0 and 5-10-10 no BC packages, which are even more flexible for advanced trading style, including seasoned EAs, gapping, and more aggressive strategies. Now, for the 5-10-0, this one is a personal favorite for traders who love trading on their term, the 5-10-0 package. You get a 5% daily limit, 10% overall loss, but zero profit target. That's right, no number chasing you around. Trade smart, trade patiently, and let results come naturally.
For traders who thrive on precise and overpace, this is pure freedom. You focus on protecting capital, building consistent gains, and growing your account without any arbitrary pressure. No targets, just trading, clean control, and strategy.
This package is perfect for low-frequency traders and market sniper. If you take 3 to 5 trades a week, which each careful planning, this environment actually rewards patience rather than punishing it.
Who's it for? Veterans, swing traders, risk-conscious traders, basically anyone who values consistency over speed. If that sounds like you, this package will feel like home.
And let's face it, not every trader wants to chase target. Some just want to trade cleanly, scale smartly, and grow steadily. This is the package for them.
Next up, for traders who want maximum flexibility without constraints, the 5-10-10 no BC package. Andy, correct me if I'm wrong, this one removes the profit consistency rule, right?
Exactly, the same as the 5-10 risk profile, but no pressure to smooth out your profits. You can hit big wins, take calculated swing, and you are not penalized or volatilities in results.
Just a heads up, trade copiers aren't allowed, so this is for manual traders only. But for those who enjoy hard risk, high reward trading with occasional big spikes, this is the ideal arena.
So who is it for? It's for aggressive traders, risk taker, or anyone frustrated by strict consistency rules elsewhere. Trade how you want as long as you respect the drawdown limits.
And last but not least, the customized package. Think of this as WeMasterTrade saying, you define the rules, we fund your strategies.
You can set your own daily loss, overall loss, and even fund up to $400,000. The largest funding option we offer is designed for serious traders who want a total control without compromising on flexibility.
This is a premium all-access trading. You can use EAs, new strategy, weekend holding, HFT, everything. If you have a very specific approach in mind, this is the package that let you bring it to life. So who is it for again? Top-tier professional it is. Hedge fund traders, high-volume traders, signal provider, anyone who wants a fully tailored trading setup. This package puts the blueprint in your hands.
I always say, if you try other models and nothing fits, the customized package lets you build your own roadmap. That level of freedom is rare in the trading world and extremely powerful for serious traders.
To wrap it up, every instant funding package we offer is built around clarity, fairness, and real opportunities. Clear risk parameters, competitive commissions, full market access, and genuine profit potentials. No artificial time limits and payouts. They can start as early as the very next date.
And here's the best part. No matter your trading style, scalping, swing, algo, or manual, there's an account that matches you. The key is choosing the one that fits your style and discipline. Start building consistency now and the growth compounds naturally.
And if you have ever on the fence of our team is available 24/7 to guide you. But there's the real secret. Pick the account that suits your discipline, not your dream. The right fit always outperforms the flashiest promises.
Alright trader, you have seen the package. Now it's time to tackle the rule that can make or break your account. The daily loss limit. Stay tuned, this one separates the pros from the panic. Getting funded feels amazing, but staying funded, that's the real game. And the number one reasons your accounts get shut down, one thing, daily loss.
Yes, the infamous daily loss. Most traders think they understand it until it closes their account mid-trade on a Tuesday afternoon. Classic.
But here's the silver lining. Once you really grasp it, this rule becomes one of your best allies in risk management. Today we'll break it down step by step with real examples.
So what is it? The daily loss limit, also called maximum daily loss. Set the hard cap for losses in a single trading day, including both close and floating trades. Hit it even for a second and your account shut down automatically.
And here's the nuance. It's always calculated from the higher of your starting balance or equity. That's more details. Is what catches so many traders off guard.
Think of it as a safety leash. It's not there to punish you, it's there to keep you in the game.
Let's get practical. Day 5. Your balance is 105,000, but equity is 107,000, thanks to some floating profits.
With a 4% daily loss, the system calculates it from $107,000, the higher number.
4% of $107,000 is about $4,280. Your equity cannot drop below $102,720 that day or is auto liquidation.
And here's the kickers, about 4,000, This is real time, the system doesn't wait. If below for even a second and boom, your account is closed.
And now flip it. Day 7, balance is $100,000, equity is $99,000 because some trades are in loss.
Sync balance is higher, 4% daily loss is equal to $4,000. Your equity must stay above $96,000 all day.
Drop to 95.99. Auto liquidation triggers, no margin call, no warning, just done.
And guess what happens if you break it? The system executes a market order to close everything. All trades liquidate and accounts disable. You cannot trade again unless you purchase a new package.
And remember, because it executes at live market prices, slippage can make the final P&L worse than expected. That $3,900 loss you planned could turn into $4,200 in seconds.
That's why we always say don't dance on the edge. Respect the limits, protect your capital, and you will stay funded longer and grow consistently.
So how to stay inside the daily loss box? Alright, let's dive into how to avoid violating the daily loss rule. This is where the pro mindset kicks in.
Tip 1. Know your buffer. Don't blame trades that push you right to the edge of your limit. Leave at least 10 to 15% cushions below your max, especially the volatile markets.
Tips number 2, focus on equity, not just balance. Most traders stare at their balance all day, but if floating losses are dragging your equity down, you are already at risk of violation.
Tip 3. Use the dashboard. WeMasterTrade provides live risk dashboard. Check your loss status frequently. Don't rely on memory or guesswork.
Tip 4. Pause after early losses. If you lose 3% in the first hour of London session, stop, reflect. Don't try to revenge trade back into the green.
Tips number 5, trade smaller during news events. Trading goals during NFP at full size. That is a fast track to hitting daily loss. Scale down your lots. Ride the post-volatility move safely.
Now let's talk about the traps. What mistake do traders make most often with the daily loss?
Number 1, over leveraging. Open trades that are 5 to 7% of your account. Thinking you exit quickly when it goes real fast is already too late.
Number 2, holding overnight without checking exposure. 3 trades left overnight and wake up with a 60 pip gap. Daily loss can trigger before you can open your eyes.
And what about the third big mistake?
Assuming only close trade matter. Nope, equity includes floating P&L too. That's your real score.
Now, one last point, this isn't just about rule, it's about trust. WeMasterTrade fund you because we trust you manage risk responsibly. The daily loss is just protect the trust for both sides. And that wrap up our daily loss rule. Before we move to the next one, which is the mass loss, we will take a short break.
Copy Trade. Copy Trade. Copy Trade.
Welcome back traders. Previously we covered the daily loss rule, your day-to-day seatbelt. Now it's time to talk about the ultimate boundary, which is the maximum loss rule. I'm talking about the maximum loss, your account airbag. It isn't just for one day, it's for the entire life of your account.
A lot of traders think I didn't hit my daily limit, I'm safe, but a few days of small losses add up and suddenly liquidation.
Exactly. The max loss is the final safety net. Hit it and the system sees your account at unsalvageable immediate closure. No exception.
Let's break it down simply. Is the total loss your account can sustain across all trades at any moment. If your equity, including open trades, dips below that threshold, the account is gone, period.
Unlike the daily loss, which resets each day, this is cumulative loss, 2% one day, 3% the next. Cross the line and that's it.
The actual percentage depends on your package. Typically 6% or 10% of your starting balance is always based on your initial capital, not your equity or profits.
Not about net gain or loss across trades, it's about real-time equity versus the stop-loss floor. And now suppose your account starts as $50,000 with a 6% max loss, that's $3,000.
Your equity never fall below $47,000. Doesn't matter if you make $1,000 yesterday, it's cumulative from the start.
And remember, both close and floating losses count. Close at $2,000, floating at $1,200. Equity is going to be $46,800. Below $47,000, account will be closed.
And this is not about the net gain or loss across trades, it's about real-time equities and the stop-loss floor.
Say your account grow to $51,000. Profit feels great, right?
Yep, but max loss is still based on the original 50,000. 6% limit will be 47,000. Profit only give an extra buffer.
Exactly, your equity can drop 4,000 before hitting the floor. Profit doesn't move the threshold.
Drop below the max loss even by a few dollars and the auto liquidation triggers instantly. All trades close at market price.
And like daily loss, slippage may make your final number slightly worse. That's just market reality.
And most importantly, once breached, the account is permanently disabled, no resets, no rollbacks. Want to continue trading, you must purchase a new package.
So, pro tip to master the max loss rule. So, alright traders, here's the secret sauce. How do you stay inside the max loss box and trade like a pro without sweating every second?
Tip 1. Know your floor always. Track your total close losses every day. Don't wait for a dashboard alert. Calculate it manually. Awareness is half the battle.
Tips number 2. Treat profits as ammo, not ammo. Floating gains don't mean you go wild. Reduce the lot size when you are ahead. Protect your capital, don't gamble it, okay?
Tip 3. Manage floating losses like a hawk. Even one roll trade can turn your cushion into catastrophe. Stay alert, stay disciplined.
Tip 4. Step back when danger looms. If you are 5% down on a 6% max loss, don't chase it. Walk away, take a breath, analyze patient saves account.
Tip number 5. Never fight volatility blindfolded. Big news, reduce size, gold, Nasdaq, EUR pairs, they spike fast. Respect the market, respect the limits.
Now let's get real. Here are the moves that destroy account faster than you can blink.
1. Over leveraging. Opening position at 5 to 7% of your account thinking it's safe. One wrong move and you're toast.
Number 2, ignoring floating trades. Close 3 loser. Think you are safe. One more red trade floating 1,500 to 2,000. Boom, account crossed the line.
Number 3, revenge trading. Lose yesterday, come back swinging today to recover. That's how a 6% max loss disappeared into session.
Number 4. Slippage during news. Time stop doesn't matter. A single candle can wipe out your profit before you can blink.
Listen up, the max loss isn't the enemy. It's your protective shield, your airbag. Every top trader I know treats it as non-negotiable. process and lessen his hard account gone.
Exactly. Think of this as a reality check. If you are consistently skimming the edge, the problem isn't the rule, it's your strategy or mindset. Fix that and the account lasts years, not days.
So here's the mantra, traders: respect the mass loss, trade inside the box, protect your equity, grow consistently, treat it like your best friend, and it's keep your account alive while most traders self-destruct around you.
At WeMasterTrade, we're not just handing out capital, we're building structure, discipline, and professionalism. The max loss rule, that's the line that separates gambler from the true traders.
So let's lock this in, traders. Here's what you need to remember about mass loss. It's a percentage of your starting balance, usually 6% or 10%. It's calculated from real-time equity, not just your balance. It counts both closed and floating losses. Every penny matters, and here's the kicker. Once it's breached, the account is gone permanently.
Think of this as your final safety net. Respect it, trade smart, and you will survive where most traders failed.
Alright traders, we have covered the daily loss limit and the maximum loss rule, your capital safety nets. Now let's talk about results, not just risks. At WeMasterTrade, we want to see traders grow, scale, and earn sustainably. That's where profit consistency comes in.
This rule separates lucky spike from true pros. It tells us whether you can make consistent profits over time instead of relying on one big win.
And it's also how we determine profit sharing, withdrawals, and scales up, fund it, and can withdraw at full profit. This rule is probably why.
So what is profit consistency? Simply put, the profit consistency ratio measures how evenly your profits come in day to day. One huge spike and several flat or losing days, high ratio, low consistency.
At WeMasterTrade, most accounts require 30% profit consistency, meaning your best day cannot exceed 30% of your total profit. The 5-10-10 no PC package, no PC rule at all.
Important, if your profit consistency exceeds 20%, your profit share will drop to 10%. That's right, keep your consistency in check if you want to maximize earning. The formula is really simple. Best trading day profit divided to total close profit and multiply to 100, and that will be the profit consistency percentage.
So the best day means each single day highest profit or close profit, and the total profits mean the sum of all close profit minus close losses. Floating losses don't count until close. So if your best day is $200 and your total profit is $500, your profit consistency equal 200 divided by 500 multiplied by 100 equal 40%. That's too high, and you need to trade more to reduce this ratio below 20% to eligible for payouts.
So, example, 5-day result, day 1 you got $100, day 2 it will be $200, day 3 minus 50, day 4 plus 100, and day 5 will be $60. So,
the total net profit will be $410.
Now the best day is day 2, which is $200, and that means the profit consistency will be 48.78%.
yes, way above the 30% limit. Even though it's profitable, profit share dropped to 10% until consistency improves.
Now the profit doesn't equal pay. Even profitable trades won't get full profit share if gains are too concentrated.
If you rely on 1 or 2 monster days to carry your account, that's risk, not skill. You need steady wins.
Long-term balance equal higher trust, scales up, and full profit share. That's what separates funded pro from lucky spike. So, overnight limits, don't panic. Focus on evening out profit over multiple days.
Practical tips: reduce lot sizes for a few days. Take smaller control wins for $200 to $300 per day. Avoid one massive swing trade and spread gains across multiple days.
Now for EA users, monitor your equity curve. Bots that spike profits on one day might hurt profit consistency. Adjust to keep ratio below 20 to 30% for full profit share.
And there will be some common mistake. Number 1, hitting the target early and resting inflates the best day ratio.
Number 2, overtrading after the day, trying to sweep more equal to higher ratio.
Number 3, ignoring the rule. Profit consistency is what we actually measure for growth and scale.
So the mindset shift. PC isn't a hurdle, it's your roadmap to sustainable growth and maximum profit share.
Hits this and WeMasterTrade will trust you with bigger capital, ignores it, and even profitable accounts get reduced payouts.
So remember, small, steady, reliable profits is better than one lucky spike any day. Keep profit consistency below 20 to 30% to maximize your profit share and scale fast.
At the end of the day, this isn't about controlling you, it's about building habits that can handle scale. If you can't be consistent with $25,000, what happens if we give you $100,000 or more?
Exactly, consistency is your ticket to our trust. At WeMasterTrade, we fund traders, but we also study them. This rule shows whether you are serious about long-term trading or just chasing lucky spikes.
And we have seen it time and again. The traders who respect the rule, they are the ones getting multiple payouts, referral, and eventually scaling into six-figure funded accounts.
So don't fear the rules, embrace it, and as feedback too high, that's good. It means you are made profit. Now the goal, balance it out over multiple sessions.
And remember, no manual math required. WeMasterTrade dashboard automatically calculates your profit consistency ratio. Check it anytime under your statistic laptop.
Quick recap for traders. This rule is about balance, not volume. Keep your best day under 20% of total profit for mass payouts. Spread your wins across multiple sessions and monitor progress using the dashboard. Now, so far we have walked through the daily loss limit, tackled the maximum account loss, and examined how profit consistency shape your long-term payout and growth. And before we wrap up today's live stream, Scarlett and Annie will help me with the calendar analysis.
So okay, hi everyone. Yes, don't forget, in today's section, we're going to break down the key high-impact economic events in this week, mainly focusing on USD and AUD, and more importantly, how traders should interpret and trade around this release. And yes, this is also a heavy news week with strong volatility potential, so we will cover the macro learning first. Then we will translate that into practical trading execution, risk management. So yes, let's start with the US data because this is clearly the main driver right now. So the ISM manufacturing PMI came out at 52.6, far above the forecast of 48.5 and the previous 47.9. This is a really big deal because a reading above 50 signal economic expansion is show US manufacturing is recovering faster than expected, which challenges the idea that the US economy is showing rapidly. Also, on top of that, we have jobs openings, which increased to 7.23 million instead of cooling the labor market. It's still showing strength. And for the Federal Reserve, this combination means there's less pressure to cut rates quickly. So fundamentally, this supports a stronger USD and keep bond yield supported. And also, the price action is also confirmed that after the ISM release, USD strength show up at almost immediately. And also for trading, this means pairs like EUR USD and GBP USD is better trade from the short side. Instead of chasing breaks out, I prefer to sell into rallies. Wait for pulls back and trade with the macro direction. And also for gold, strong USD and yields create short-term downside pressure. So gold is more of a sell rally or confirmation-based trade, not an aggressive buy right now. And yeah, now let's shift to Australia. The RBA held the cash rate at 3.85%, which was fully expected by the market. So the rate decision itself isn't the main story. The real focus is on the RBA monetary policy statement and the press conference. The traders are listening closely for how the RBA talks about inflation, wage growth, and economic risk. A cautious or growth focuses on tone would be considered dovish, while persistent inflation concerns would sound more hawkish. And also for trading plans, AUD USD usually reacts more to the tone than the rates. If the RBA sounds neutral dovish, it will be look for AUD USD shorts, especially after a clean structure break. If we are unexpected hawkish turn, we could see a short squeeze, but that is more of a short-term momentum trade, not something I would hold at a swing position, and I would also avoiding trading the first candle during the press conference. I wait from 5 to 10 minutes to spread and volatility to normalize before entering. So, to summarize, the macro picture still favor a strong USD, supported by resilient US data. And on the execution side, this is a high volatility environment. That means fewer trades, better timing, and stricter risk management. Don't trade based on expectation alone. Trade based on what the data actually show. And always remember, protect your account first. Opportunities will always come back. Trade safe, and we'll see you in the next section.
No, thank you, Annie, for your deep analysis on today's news, and that's also wrap our live stream up. So now today we have go through on the trading packages, the challenge, the instant model, and even stay out the trading rules, and we will see you in the next sessions.
We copy trade.